Hi guys, welcome into another lesson. Today I'm going to look a little bit at a linear fill. It was something that is inspired by something I saw Travis Barker do in a Boost Mobile commercial. Now before we get into that, a quick thank you to you guys. I'm almost up to 2,000 subscribers now, which I know by some website standards is tiny, but for me that's a lot of people. So I've got people now checking me out from all around the world. So first of all, thanks to you guys for subscribing. Please keep doing that. Please keep sharing it. I've had people ask me, can they share these videos on Twitter and all the other kind of social media? Of course you can, yeah. That'd be great for you to do that. So today's lesson is, as I mentioned, a linear fill, and it's kind of a fun one to play. It's 30-second notes, so we're going pretty quick. So I'm not going to count it so much today, but if you are counting 30-second notes, you're going to count 1 E under, 1 E under, 2 E under, 2 E under, 3 E under, 3 E under, 4 E under, 4 E under, because it's a little easier than counting to 32. But what we've got to learn to do first of all today is to play groupings of 6. Now in this grouping we play right, left, right, left, left. That's the first 5 notes. Right, left, left, followed by a kick drum. So right, left, kick. Right, left, kick. So the first thing you want to do is just loop that. Don't worry about time signature or anything like that. Just play it again and again and again. Now to make it so you can kind of see it, I'm going to put my right hands up here, my left hand's on the snare drum. Now that pattern, 6 notes in length. Well, if you times it by 4, so 4 lots of 6, then we get on to count 4 of the 30-second notes. So that gives us 8 more 30-second notes. Now all the maths of these numbers, 3 and 5 and all that, it doesn't really matter. What you've got to remember is we've got to play that 4 times in a row. So to make it easier, I like to put things around the drums in a way that I can kind of see it. So I'm going to play once here, once down on the floor tom, once on the top tom, once on the floor tom. That's my 4 6s done. When I get to that 24th note, I'm going up to 32, don't forget, that gives me 8 more. So I've got to play 8 somewhere. Now I could just turn to singles there and play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I'm going to do instead is I'm going to play a 5th, one of those 6lets, and I'm going to add 2 on the end. So the last one I'm going to move to the snare drum. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to put right, left at the end. So it'll be like this. And onto the crash of the ride to get out of it. So let's put that together. 6 here, 6 here, 6 here, 6 here, then the 8. That's it. Now, some of you might be playing that and not really understanding where the 1 is. So I'm going to see if I can get a little click up for you. Okay, so I'm playing time of that. 1, 2. Okay, and that's it. So what we do is we try and master it in that position there, and we put it all over the kit. Now I find it easier to play 16th notes with one hand and then go into the grooves, so something like this. It just flows nicely from 16th notes, but obviously if you're playing fast enough you can do it with 8th notes, quarter note, whatever you want to use it with. So again, thank you to everybody who subscribed. I'll be back with more lessons soon. I'll catch you again.